Next up, we have touch instruments. So I'm going to go over here to my smart piano and I am going to tap my piano. This is one of your touch instruments. So in here, we have various different options in your keyboard. And all you need to do is click and it will play. There's also options to change it from a grand piano. So if you can play the piano but maybe not the oboe, you can actually turn this to the oboe. There's other options such as over here. If I tap on this, it will actually look like a piano. Now I do have notes on this piano, which is really easy to add. All you need to do is go in here, find your GarageBand app, and I would recommend everybody do this. And you over here, you can add in the keyboard note labels. It's really good for students just starting off, especially if they're not sure about reading music yet. So in here, I have my note labels on there because those are always really useful. That's now obviously more like a piano. You have different styles of piano that you can have. So you can have your whole two-hand, less notes, more notes, whatever suits you. In there, I'm going to click here because I want to go back to this and I want to show you some additional options. So I am going to turn off my metronome count sound before I do this, and I'm going to show you the difference of auto playing. So when you have this and when you want to record, you just tap on the record button. But first, we're going to go with autoplay 1. So you just tap on those, and then I'm going to go with 2. So then autoplay 3. And then autoplay 4. So autoplay does really help with students' confidence, especially at the start. Now I am going to record this in. And you will see if you're recording, you can then have this as your base layer of your grand piano. If we go back to anything like, say, my drummer that I had in the previous video, I can then add someone, maybe not Kyle, someone different. We're going to go with Darcy. I'm not going to listen to Darcy, but I'm just going to put her in there and we'll see. So it's not perfectly in tune, but it's a start, and that's how you use all your touch instruments. Like I said earlier, if you have your grand piano and you want to change it to, let's go for, there's so many to choose from. We're going to go for oboe. So I find if you have students that can play the piano, it really does open up a lot of instruments to them. And that is your touch instrument.